Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming size and getting the parts. Measure the door thickness and hole diameter so the new peephole fits. Once measured, remove the interior trim, grip the inside barrel, turn counterclockwise, and back it out. If it's stuck, protect the finish with masking tape and use adjustable pliers for extra leverage. You're doing this to avoid stripping threads and to preserve the door surface. Once the old barrel is free, clean the hole and inspect for damage before inserting the new assembly. You push the exterior lens assembly into the hole first, making sure it sits flush so the field of view won't shift. Then feed the interior barrel through, align the threads and hand start it clockwise. This prevents cross-threading. Once it turns smoothly, tighten it snug with pliers while protecting the finish. You want firmness, not crushing force. Make sure the lens orientation gives a full view. If the door is thick, use the supplied extension. Once seated, check that the peephole rotates freely if it's a swivel model. You finish by testing the view from inside, standing at typical approach distance and verifying the focal point is clear. If needed, loosen slightly and adjust depth. Make sure there are no light leaks. Apply a thin bead of silicone around the exterior if the door faces weather. Finally, reinstall interior trim. If the barrel is stuck when removing or adjusting, apply penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then tap gently and retry. This breaks corrosion while minimizing damage, so you can complete the repair successfully.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.